Hi everyone, so it's a quick review of the EBW2172 from Boruit. So as you can see, I have a lot of Boruits, V1, V3, V7 and V10, and I thought my EDC is this one. It's the V3 and I have it on my keychain, so I use it every day. So I thought I would upgrade to the EBW2172 for two main reasons. First of all, because they say it has a larger battery, so 750 milliamp hours versus 500 on the, sorry for the noise, for the V3. So this one has 500 and this one has 750. And because this one doesn't show the remaining battery, so it just dies, and this one does. So that were the two main reasons. And the bonus one was the clip on this one, so in case I would need to use that on my cap or something. So I thought the clip was a benefit I could enjoy. So to compare it side by side to the V3, let me just take it off my keychain. Here it is. So as you can see, it's a little bigger. And I'll give you dimensions after that. Here you can see so the V3 is a little over 2 inches, so in centimeters that's 5.5, and that's the V3. Here 3 centimeters, so a little over an inch. Well, this one is almost 1.5 inches, which is 3.6 centimeters. So the EBW2172, it's so long, is bigger. So I just unboxed it. So my first impression are that it's a little less rugged. It looks like a toy, like those small cars you play with when I was a kid. So that is the, you can hear it. So it kind of, maybe it's durable. I don't know, I'm gonna check it, but it doesn't feel or look durable. And on the picture I thought it was metal actually, so I'm kind of disappointed on that, especially when you compare it to this one. So the touch on this one is plastic, but it feels a little more premium. And so when I tried it first, let me just show you, my reflex was to double click, because on the V3 you just do this and you turn it off this way, so it's a double click. And on this one you have to press it for long, and then it changes. And as you can see here, I'm changing light modes, and the change is not very how do I say, different, so I don't feel like I'm changing modes. Here is the highest mode, lower and lower. Between the last two I don't feel a large difference. Let me compare it with the V3. So here 1, 2 and 3. So it's, on this one it's a lot more different than this one, but the cool side is, still have, the cool side is that you can see the remaining battery. So let me check with the focus here. one light. Here all the lights are lit, so you have 4 levels, and when it goes down 1 1 1 1. So for the other button, you have to long press it, and it's a lot more powerful because you have 1 2 3 4 5 no 4 lights on here, and you can change modes too. That's the red light mode with the blue light too, and that's the emergency mode. And if you compare it with this one, emergency, here's, you can see the blue light mode and the red light. So this one doesn't have a blue light mode, while there is a blue light. We can see it here. So I don't know why they did that, why you can't access the blue light mode, but they did it. What else is there to say? Yes, so one advantage of this one compared to the other one is that you can have both modes on at the same time. Here, so you have a light that's going this way and one that's going up, while on this one, if this mode is on and I'm turning on the other one, this one automatically is switch off. So in a nutshell, is it worth the upgrade? I'm not sure. But if you need a light that's compact and that you could use, maybe you could get this one. So this one would be my recommendation. I'm not sure I'm gonna change. I'm kind of disappointed of this upgrade, especially here. You can see it's branded here, the Boruit brand. Even the box is, so the box of the V3 is this one. There's the brand and everything. While this one, as you can see here, so it seems like a generic thing you could find anywhere. And the brand is not mentioned at all. So I'm gonna try it for a week and see what I think. Since it's a little more bulky, I'm not sure I'm gonna stick with it. So that was it. Thank you for your attention.